Hello and welcome to another update video about Avalanche AVAX. I think we are getting close to the completion of the correction, but I think we are going to see another lower low. Yeah, we have to finish the correction off, I think. We haven't done that yet properly. Overall, we can't really yet see here an impulsive move to the upside. This for me all looks corrective. I did say that in the last video when we were at a similar price range as now. And what did the price do since that last video? Well, it did hold above the 200-day moving average. No, it actually didn't. It actually broke the 200-day moving average. I think we were here on the 21st of Feb. Told you back then that I do expect lower prices going forward, because here already we had come below the previous low here from the 6th of Feb. We have come below the previous low here from the 13th of February. And we've briefly come below the 200-day moving average again. Yes, it was reclaimed, but look what the price was doing. It made basically a lower low. Yeah, came back to that previous low here, to that range roughly. Did, basically a slightly lower high and another lower low. Then a lower high, a higher low. Then here a little bit of a mess, yeah. And the latest one then was another lower high. And now we make another lower low. And this looks so corrective. This does not, at all look like a crypto that has completed its correction, the overall correction. And therefore, my view remains that we are coming down lower here. And the last move here really, overall, compare it to this high here, to this peak, the wave 4 top, we made a significantly lower low, lower high, yeah. And lower low as well, of course, here. So my view is that from here now we can go down further. We talked about it when we had the wave 3 low here. We talked about AVAX could retest here the resistance of that channel. And now I'm telling you it can probably with a high probability come down. And that could be the final move. Nothing moves in a straight line. You always get these waves and within waves, these ups and downs, this breathing in, breathing out. But within this one now, I think we can see here the price fall. I mean, we have already been halfway through basically here at $65. So all you need to do is to go lower all the way to the support level of that channel. That could then really mark the absolute low. We would then get to something like $30 here, depending on when we hit it. And that would be very much in line with my target area. It would be beautiful if we could do it. It would be a clean cut, a clean finish of that whole correction. I'd already be happy here with a $38 AVAX. That would be the 0.786 fib level. From now, 74 to 38, it's pretty much a 50% drop. Happy with that, and then we have a clean low and we have come into the target area, because at the moment we are too high in my view. To start to new all-time highs, we need to come lower. Other cryptos are already much lower, and AVAX has to do that at a certain point here before it moves to new all-time highs. That's at least my opinion. Yeah, I mean, it has lost again the 200-day moving average, that yellow line. The 200-day moving average, by the way, is currently sitting here at $77 or 76. Yeah, so that was lost. And what was also lost here was that fib level at $78, the 50% fib level. And it seems like this fib level is going to be retested as resistance from below. You can see that small green candle that is coming up and is going to probably retest here the 50% fib level from below. And if that is successful, then the next move down could be fast. I think we could come down in the next step to the $62 level. That is the 61.8% fib level. If that gets broken, you're going to see with a very high probability that $39 level. Bear in mind, nothing is guaranteed, but this is this has been my expectation for a long time here, that we are going to see this price target area down there. In the end, AVAX is not doing anything different compared to other cryptos, even though it has very strong fundamentals, of course. One of the fastest blockchains, if not the fastest one, and absolutely. But it also needs to do corrections as assets normally do it. Yeah, there's no way around it. It just needs to do it. Nothing can go up all the time. We've got indicators on charts that people use, and these indicators just need to come down. They need to come down. And what confirms me in my view that we are coming down lower is not only the elite wave count and that final wave 5 and the fib levels that cryptos normally come down to. No, it's also here the 4-hour RSI, which is now back in the bearish range. We also here on the MACD have another bearish crossover. Yeah, you can see that here. Last two candles or last two bars are bearish. On the daily chart as well, we were about to here do a bullish crossover on the MACD. Now that has stopped now. And again, a cryptocurrency that is finishing its correction wouldn't do a turnaround like that, such a U-turn. Again, on the daily as well, we are in the bearish range on the RSI. And the weekly chart really here, the MACD, the selling momentum doesn't really move. So low level sideways movement, yeah, pretty much neutral on the weekly. Not really a clear message here. But also the RSI on the 4-day chart is further moving down. And here that reducing selling momentum is also flattening out. So I think the decision how we carry on here will be made on the daily chart, and it seems like it is heading further down. So yeah, that's my view here on AVAX Avalanche. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.